Hey, it's Elaf, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create product videos and product images of your own products. And in this case, I'm going to be using a white chair, a furniture piece, as an example. I'm making a series of tutorials showing you how to create AI photos and videos using your own products in different niches. And so if this is something that interests you, feel free to like, subscribe, and share a comment on what you would like to see next. The assets you create could be used anywhere, which is something that's very useful. So if you want to use it on your social media, or if you want to use it on your marketing campaigns or on your online store, you could do that. And so I'm going to jump straight into it and show you how to get started. First, I'll show you how to create these photos of this white chair on both creative and accurate mode. We're starting off on the background remover tab, upload the photo or select the one you've uploaded before, and click the green generate product photos button. On the AI photos and editing tab, the default is creative mode, so I'll type in the prompt I want. In this case, this armchair in a deep blue room with velvet curtains with gold accents, cream marble flooring, and a designer lamp glowing softly in the background, opulent, refined, and high-end atmosphere. Then click generate. It takes a few seconds to load and then a photo is generated. I like this one. I'm going to save it and generate another for variety. You can see that the AI has replicated it pretty well, so it looks like the same white sofa but at a slight angle. Now onto the accurate mode. Similar to before, on the background remover, I'm going to send it to the studio editor, which is the second tab. Here I'm going to reposition it to where I want it in the photo, and when I'm happy, click the green generate product photos button to send to the AI editor. On this tab, make sure that the accurate mode is selected, and since the prompt from before is still here, I'm just going to remove the part that says this armchair, since accurate mode just uses the input image, and then I'll click generate. It takes a few seconds to load. 4 images are created. I'll select the ones I like the most. And now I'll show you how all the images look on the creative and accurate mode side by side. Next, I'll show you how to do the same thing to get these videos in both landscape and portrait mode for this white armchair. I'm on the background remover tab like before. Select the armchair in my assets or upload a photo if you have it on your computer instead, and then send it to the AI product photos and videos tab by clicking the green button. On this tab, like before, the default is images, so select video, then type in your prompt. Here I want to see this exact armchair in a deep blue room with velvet curtains, with gold accents, cream marble flooring, and a designer lamp glowing softly in the background, opulent, refined, and high-end atmosphere. A 30-year-old woman wearing a smart professional red dress and heels sits on the sofa and texts on her phone and smiles, and then click generate. This is the first video generated. When I play, it looks like the phone appears out of nowhere, which isn't realistic, so I'm going to regenerate it. I like how this video turned out, so I'm going to save it to my computer. And then I'm going to go and click the portrait mode to generate an image in portrait mode. Feel free to edit the prompt if you want. In this case, I'm going to keep it the same. And once I like it, I will download and save it.